We have our swimming pool. Now, peep game, peep game, peep game. We got these for $7. They're usually $14.98. This is the 59-inch one. For reference, I'm gonna get in this guy. Y'all, this one is deep. This is the one we're gonna do our winter bed in. We bought 2 of them. So all we're doing is this. I got cans in. I just poke holes in it. That's it. Poke a hole, twist. Poke a hole, twist. All right, y'all. We have our holes in there, and then I poked them all along the side too. That way, if it ever fills up too much, it doesn't go above the water line, and we're gonna fill these up pretty high. And I did 2 of them at one time, and there you can see the holes even better of what I did. All right, so next we're doing hay. The straw, the rain, and got it somewhat saturated. All right, so I've done that now. And you see, this is what's left over still. And I had used this hay several times before now. All right, and we're done mixing. And we transfer it over here with our basket. Now what we're gonna do is add a little razzle dazzle. All right, y'all, so I put my male kiwi that I've been neglecting. It's a kiwi arctic fruit in my female right here in this bed. And this is the soil. Yes, we still have the straw right under it, see? I'm about to plant my brassicas and a few other things, and then we're gonna cover it with this soil right here, this straw right here. So things I added for this. I used 3/4 of this at the bottom. The Pennington straw is $12. That's the rest of it for the mulch on top. I then mixed 3/4 the container of this, which is the Magic Earth's cream peat moss. It's $12 or so at Lowe's as well. I mixed half a bag of this, also from Lowe's, and this Jungle Growth, which is under $8 at most of them, but it's 2 cubic feet. And y'all, this is a professional mix. It has everything you need in it. It's the shit. So I mixed all that into here. And then I added 4 fistfuls of this Marine Cuisine. And I'll tell you how much that all adds up to in the end. It's a 10.77.